Here's the 57 right now. I did a lot of work on it by myself, and I guess I'm not a very good tripod user. Um, so, got the front end all on. I did the old grill delete, the floating centerpiece. I think it actually looks pretty cool. Plus, I don't have a grill, so it has to look cool. But right now, this is a running and driving car. Starts right up, drives down the road. I do need to upgrade on the rear coilover shocks. I won't even tell you what I have on there right now. There are shocks, but I do have the 4-link, so they're just really not intended for this size of a car. So I guess we're doing what we can right now. So, but you can see everything is all tidied up. And I got some parts laying in here. Oop, you can't see that. Got the car all together. Got this seat through a friend of mine. He was at a tech school where they're working on a 57, and this seat was coming out, and found out it was for sale, and he thought of me. Many thanks to my buddy Greg. I love it. And it's got the diamond stitching, which I wanted to do. Well, initially I wanted to do pleated, but we went to diamonds because my 55 has got pleated, and we're going to be using pleats on something else real soon. So I went to the diamonds on it. I like it. It's different. Got the trim on. Still have to align the door a little bit more. Yeah, I know it's in a little bit, but I don't want to put the side spear on until I'm 100%. It's actually extremely close where it needs to be as far as this top line and this back line. So, I mean, I really might as well just put it on. The back side of the car here, all together. It's been a lot of fun. Having a good time driving it. This windshield is just laying in here, storing it that way. I need to put the front windshield in. I got to mark out some time with one of my friends, because really is a 2-person job. So that'll be coming real soon. So pretty much did what I can with this car as far as with the parts I have. I do have all the trim pieces for here. Obviously that goes on later on. There is body work on the cowl that needs to be done. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to do that prior to putting the windshield in, because eventually I'm going to be painting the car. I just haven't really figured out how far I want to go with it. This is a great car. It's probably one of my best in my lineup. I'm just got so many other things going right now, and I want to enjoy stuff, and I love building stuff. Believe me, it's like my favorite thing to do, and but I need to drive stuff a little bit more, have some more fun with my friends. I feel I'm getting invited places, and I'm just I'm working, get out and enjoy your car a little bit. So, I'm gonna work and drive it. I'm gonna pick projects on the weekends, or during the week, we'll say, so I could play with it on the weekend. and just keep the job small, you know, so I could continue to have fun with it. I don't, you know, don't take the whole damn thing apart, you know, unless something breaks, you know what I mean? But I want to keep it. I mean, the whole drivetrain is solid on this now, so it's not. We're at the point where we're just going to be doing small jobs, you know, until we get to the point of deciding what we want to do on paint or not. So we'll see. My buddy does have a radio for me. I'm going to put in possibly, you know, original Bel Air style Wonder Bar, because I just play music on my phone with a small speaker. So it's just easier, you know. I don't have to run speakers everywhere and all that type of stuff. So, yeah, babbling along I am. So there'll be more videos of this. I know this is a popular car on the channel. I do regret not videoing more than I did, but you got to understand that sometimes it's just I'm running around like a squirrel. When I was doing this, I was trying to keep my buddy busy, and I was also trying to keep myself busy, plus getting parts ready, you know. And it's just hard to run around with a camera, you know. I'm not a little fella, I'm a bigger guy, so probably a little harder for me. And yeah, anyway, excuses. All right, well, you know what, I hope you like the car so far. There are more videos going to be coming up. I have done enough babbling on this. I'm at 7 minutes, and if you stuck around all the way to this point, you get a high five. All right, like, share, subscribe, wait for our videos to come out, maybe hit that little bell. That'd be great. Have a safe one. And you know what? As my friend Scott says, get off the couch. Do something. Get in the garage. But take a break and watch our video. Have a good one.